Okay, for this final tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete a peer assessment for a first draft of an essay. So once you've submitted your first draft, you will go through the submission period and then we will have an evaluation period. And the evaluation period is when you can go in and read your peer's essay and comment on it. So the evaluation period for this one is August 24th through September 6th. So I am now able to go in and see my peer's essay. If I try to go in before this evaluation period begins, I won't have access. So to get to my peer's essay, I again go in through the same view/complete assessment link. And again, my view is going to be just slightly different from your view, but you're going to again hit question 1 and it will bring you to this page here. And you'll see down here it says evaluations, and then right down here it says user 1, and that is highlighted so that I can actually select it. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to select this user down here. It's going to open up, and then you'll be able to see your peer's essay up here. Okay, so you'll be able to read the essay and answer questions. Now for each essay you are given specific questions that you have to answer. And if you look right down here, they're called criteria. Right here, criteria, here's criteria 1. And the question is right here. What is the essay's thesis? Is it clearly worded? Does it provide a focus for the essay? So you would answer all those questions right here in this feedback box, so feedback to learner. So once I type my responses to these questions in here, you don't have to worry about the points possible, you just ignore that. I will select save and next criteria, which will bring me to the next question I have to answer. And there's criteria 2. Do the body paragraphs clearly support the essay's thesis? Should any of the topic sentences be revised? Which, if any, could be more clearly worded? And again, I'm going to put my answer right in here and then select save and move on to the next criteria. So for this particular essay, there are 7 different criterion that you have to answer. And then once you're all done answering all of those questions, you will select submit, and then your peer assessment will be complete. And then your peer will be able to see your responses. And likewise for your essay, once your peer completes your review and answers all the questions, you'll be able to see their feedback.